Hey guys, I'm already halfway through my get ready with me, but I wanted to try on some of the new products and share my thoughts with you guys. These are just new makeup products I bought recently, many of which were during the Ulta 21 days or semi-annual beauty event. So first one being, I got the Anastasia 3-in-1 Brow Definer. So I'm actually wearing it right now. Again, I am not in any way an expert in using and doing my brows. So I've been kind of like shooting from the hip, like just trying my best. And I got this in soft brown. I think it actually works pretty well. I'm not used to seeing myself with my brows done. Like I feel like it's super heavy. But I think this is a good color to start off with. Just doesn't look too scary or I don't know, like too much. But I like how there's a definer like side, and then there's also like a brush, which I've been using a lot to help like blend everything out. So I like this so far, just again still learning how to do my brows. And then I haven't applied the blush yet, so I'm going to go ahead and do that with you guys. But I got the Too Faced Cloud Crush blush in the color Candy Clouds. And I think obviously the packaging is really cute. Too Faced always has really cute packaging. I'm a little bit surprised at how small this is. I'm going to go ahead and apply that to my cheeks. But yeah, this is what it looks like. This color looks like, oh yeah, it kind of reminds me of the Too Faced Mary Mary makeup palette built-in blush. But yeah, I like it. I was debating between getting this and the orange shade or coral because I think that's a good summer color, but I like this one. Okay, not bad. And then I am going to try the REM Beauty Highlighter I got recently. It's in the shade, it's a lavender one. It's called Miss Neptune. So this is what it looks like. I don't know if this is going to like be a good wearable shade for a day-to-day, but let's see. Okay. It's like very subtle, which is good because I wouldn't want to go around like having purple cheeks. Yeah, it's not bad. I forgot to sniff if this had like a scent. It does, I guess, kind of. Okay. And then lastly, the new thing I got was Urban Decay Vice Lipstick. I actually got this at Macy's because it was randomly like 50% off. And I got it in a new shade, Horchata. I had been using 1993, but okay. Honestly, quite similar to 1993. In personal preference, I always like to layer on top of it the Lancome Lip Absolute Rouge. Okay, so this is the finished look with all the new products I bought recently. Just want to share some final thoughts. I do like this Anastasia 3-in-1 Brow Definer. I think the problem is I'm still learning how to do my brows, so I still think I look crazy. So I'm still trying to figure this out, but I do like the color, soft brown. I think it looks pretty subtle. Even if I did make a mistake, I don't think it would make me look too crazy. Okay, next one is a Too Faced Cloud Crush. So this one I like. I think it was a lot smaller than I had imagined. I don't know if like it's packing the same amount, just in a smaller size, but I was a little bit surprised by it. And I would say I do still like the Too Faced Mary Mary Makeup Palette Built-in Blush better. I think this one is still not really showing up that much on me. It's not that pigmented. My face eats the blush, so I was surprised when the Mary Mary Makeup Palette one, it showed up so much as it did, because this one one I feel like is kind of like not showing up. Okay, for the REM Beauty Highlighter, I will say I'm kind of disappointed that it's so subtle as well, like similar to the Too Faced Cloud Crush blush. But I think what's nice is that it actually isn't like super lavender. It's definitely wearable. It's just like the smallest speck of lavender hue to it. So it's kind of like an interesting twist on your highlighter, but I don't think it shows up that much. I think the one highlighter I feel like that shows up really well is Ofra. That one shows up, like, that one's super pigmented. And I will say the Too Faced Mary Mary Makeup Palette Built-In Highlighter also shows up pretty decently as well. And the last thing is the Urban Decay Vice Lipstick in Horchata. I will say this one looks very similar to 1993. Maybe it's just a little bit of a brighter with more like red undertones to it. Not sure which one I like better. I feel like I want to say I like the 1993 one better, just because I like that whole like dark chocolate lip shade that's reminiscent of the 90s. But this one's not bad, and this might be like a good transition into like spring/summer because it has more like red undertones to it. But anyways, thanks for watching, and I definitely would love to know what you guys bought during these makeup deals that have been going on and what you guys liked as well. But yeah, thanks for watching.